How to change Netflix account on phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can change your Netflix account on phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you would like to change the Netflix account, depends on what you're talking about. Are you talking about you want to change just the profiles, which means there are many types of profiles on Netflix, or are you talking about you want to change the account and log into the new account? So in this case, let's say you are talking about profiles. Let's say you select any profiles here, and then now you want to log into another profile. You just need to tap the profile icon just right here and just select any other profile that you might want to switch to. But let's say you're trying to log into a new account or another account. For that, first you have to log out of current account, and to do that, tap the profile icon here and then just go to the option called sign out, which is at the bottom. And when you tap the sign out option, you can tap on sign out. You'll be signed out, and then after that you will be able to go ahead and then enter other details, and this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically change your account on Netflix mobile. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.